Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use KAST Card for real-world purchases. 2026, watch this quick review till the end. And if you want to use our discount code, it's available in the description where you can use it to get a special discount. First, open the KAST app and log into your account. Make sure your card is activated and you have enough balance in your KAST wallet. Your KAST card works anywhere Visa is accepted, including retail stores, restaurants, online shops, and even ATMs. Now go to any shop or merchant and choose your items. At checkout, simply use your physical KAST card by tapping, inserting, or swiping it at the payment terminal. If you're paying online, enter your card details such as card number, expiry date, and CVV. Confirm the payment, and the amount will be instantly deducted from your KAST balance in real time. You can also track all transactions directly in the KAST app after every purchase. Don't forget that our discount code is available in the description. You can use it to get extra savings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.